100 days na, marami ng bagyong dumaan, marami na pong nangyari pero parang hindi pa gumagalaw ang mga kasong ito. Can you give us an update with regard to the cases and an update kung magkano na po ba ang na-recover natin na perang nanakaw sa bayan? Sige po.
Mr. Chair, as we can give an update as far as the cases which are being investigated by the Department of Justice. So far, we have 5 cases right now which are undergoing preliminary investigation. And if only to add, earlier there was a question by Senator Erwin Tulfo as to what can be done to prevent the departure of prospective respondents who are charged or involved in the flood control projects. We can apply during the course of the preliminary investigation for a provisional precautionary whole departure with the courts to prevent them from leaving the country during the course of the investigation.